Welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the Humunukunukuapua.
All right, and that's how you make the Humunukunukuapua.
Nailed it, yes.
All right, how about you tell us about this drink, Lee?
Yeah, so this is our first tiki drink with gin in it. So got a few of the botanicals in there. Mixes great with the lemon juice that's in there. The lemon twist on top, icing on the cake for this one.
Yeah, it's really light and refreshing, and I can definitely taste the gin in it. I like the splash of gin that you did put in there. Not a splash, but the amount.
This is a stout drink. There are 2 full ounces in this drink, so be careful when
It
you're
is
at home
strong,
with it.
but it's really, really good. You can't taste too much of the alcohol. It's really masked with the lemon too.
Yeah. The orgeat in there adds a little bit of that creamy mouthfeel to it, and the pineapple juice helps it get that little froth in there when you shake it, so shake it real well.
Yeah, so if you want to make more of these cocktails and take a class, Lee actually does cocktail classes here at the distillery. The link is in the description below. Check it out, sign up for a class, they're super fun. But until next time, we'll see you later. Cheers.
Cheers. Humunukunukuapua.